In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete a post on a Facebook business page. Start by making sure you are already signed in at facebook.com. Once you are logged in, go to the left side of the screen and open your Facebook business page from the navigation menu. This will take you to your page, where you can manage content that has already been published. After your page opens, look for the Posts section. On some pages, you may need to scroll down until you see your recent posts. On other page layouts, you may see a Posts tab that you can click directly. Open that area so you can view the content currently published on your business page. Now find the specific post that you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm that it is the correct post before moving forward. This is important because deleting or trashing the wrong post can remove content that you still want visible on your page. When you have located the correct post, move to the upper right corner of that post and click the three-dot menu. This will open a list of management options for that post. In the menu, look for the option labeled Move to Trash or Delete Post. The wording can vary depending on the current Facebook page layout and account settings, but the action works the same way for post removal. Click the removal option that appears. In some cases, Facebook will show a confirmation window before the action is completed. If that happens, read the message on the screen carefully so you can verify one more time that you selected the correct post. This extra check helps prevent accidental removal. Once you are sure, click Move to Trash or Delete to confirm. Facebook will then process the action and remove the post from your page timeline. If the post is moved to trash instead of being permanently deleted right away, it will no longer appear publicly on your page. After that, return to your page timeline and check the Post section again. Make sure the post is no longer visible. This final review confirms that the removal was successful and that your business page now shows the updated content you want visitors to see. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.